Yeah, he's a first grader, and his mom says that DHEC spoke with the school nurse and determined the safest day that he can leave quarantine and come back to school. But this is an entire family catching COVID, and as you're about to learn, they're examples of a lot of statistics that we've reported this week.
I was surprised because I am vaccinated.
Nora Battle is freshly out of quarantine, and while we tend to associate that with isolation, this was a family affair.
3 children, a 1-year-old, a 3-year-old, a 6-year-old, and then my husband, as well as my mother-in-law.
The 6-year-old is one of the cases that you saw on Horry County School's dashboard. As we reported, around 50 positive students have not stepped foot into a classroom this year.
He's one of those students that had COVID heading into the school year. Of course, we weren't in school those first few days.
The adult situation lining up almost verbatim with brand new studies released this week. They were all vaccinated.
All of us had symptoms.
The country's top health leaders say the vaccine efficacy weakens over time, and a fully vaccinated person's risk of catching COVID could increase 6 months after their second dose.
My husband, myself, and my mother-in-law, we were all vaccinated at the same time, end of January. So we just might be part of that group where our vaccine strength or capability was waning.
Leaders say it'll diminish even further after that and could eventually be too weak to keep you out of the hospital. Dr. Fauci says a booster shot could increase your antibodies at least tenfold, if not more.
I will take any amount of protection against this pandemic. I don't want to take any chances. Like I said, I have a 1, a 3, and a 6-year-old to take care of.
So she plans to talk to her doctor first thing next week and ask when they can get that 3rd shot. Now, you might remember us reporting that those nose swabs are more accurate than the rapid test. And to no surprise, this family is proving that as well. Nora's at-home rapid tests were accurate, but her husband's said negative. When he went to DHEC and got the nose swab, that came out positive.
Some parents and their children got a dose of the Pfizer vaccine today. I spoke with some who say it was the right thing to do, especially since they have family members who are at risk. All signs point to the vaccine at Carolina Forest High.
Well, we've lost a lot of people in the previous years.
A sign for Skylar Hens.
I don't want someone to get sick and someone's family get sick and just, pass away.
So she's not taking any risks she's heard about in school.
I wear my mask a lot around school because I don't want to contract it. I don't want to spread it. I don't want to further make this thing that's taken down the world for almost 2 years now worse.
That was the attitude among her classmates who got vaccinated today. They listened as Conway Medical Center's nurses give instructions just before getting their shot.
There's a bit of excitement not only for the students but also the family members coming to get the vaccination.
The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends vaccination for all children 12 and up, unless they have a condition which prevents them from getting the vaccine.
This is the only way of protection against the COVID as well as the new Delta variant. We've also seen young people suffer against this virus.
Today's vaccine clinic, a sign for Dr. Shim, things are heading in the right direction.
We've seen a lot of students and family members, and regardless of the medical condition and the medication they're on, they're happy to get the vaccination.
It doesn't hurt. It just feels like a flu shot. Just 1, 2, 3, you got it and you're done.
Now, second doses will be given on Saturday, September 11th. Conway Medical Center staff will be at Conway High, Carolina Forest High, Loris, and Socastee High.
Local organizations are looking to take back their communities and stop gun violence in the PD. The group Ceasefire USA hosted their second rally of the year in North Florence. Leaders hope that they can create ceasefire zones across the region and slowly stop gun violence in the area. Some organizers believe connecting with kids will be the key to keeping the future of the PD looking bright.
Well, what we do, we try to grab them and cuff them and hold them and talk to them and see if we can give them a message so they can take home and take it to the heart.
No more mothers crying, no more fathers in jail. Let us reclaim our community and build a better city and a better region and a better state.